So have you ever dreamed of making your own granny square pillows, your granny square blankets, your granny square bags, and granny square everything? I mean, I guess all crocheters have such a dream of doing colorful work using granny squares. And granny square is actually a very easy pattern and it has lots of possibility. And all you need to do is to find some interesting color combination. So you can do things as easy as a set of coaster if you want to prepare gifts for friend or family or your loved ones and tie them up nicely to be gifted out. Or you can make some very useful headband that's for decoration or for a shower or just regular use and keep your hair out of the way and still look very decorative and fun. Or you can do something more ambitious and have a crochet granny square pillows like this. And lastly, how can you not have a granny square blanket? Seriously, you need a blanket and or a throw, keep you warm on your lap. So I hope I will see you in the School of Sweet Georgia where this course is going to be available. And my name is Charlotte Lee and a crocheter for a few years. I'd love to see you and hope to see your work and come and enjoy some crochet and craft making.